While floods are finally subsiding in Cagayan, many residents have lost their houses or at least submerged in thick mud and debris. That's why they would rather stay on the roadside. 7 families are trying to make the best out of this makeshift tent made of scrap items. This will serve as their home in the coming weeks. They are cramping themselves in one of these makeshift beds without a foam. They're also exposed to elements, pollution from vehicles passing by, and the risk of road accidents. Rain or shine, they cover themselves with just a piece of tarpaulin. Beside their dining area is where they feed the hogs they're raising. Worst comes to worst, they're going to sell these. For now, they feed themselves with the relief goods from Good Samaritans.
Pagod na kami, sir. Sa sobrang daming trabaho. Mahirap na hindi maintindihan, sir, kung ano ang kalagayan namin.
Some of them, meanwhile, help their families by begging from passing motorists just to get by, while some of their children are getting sick due to lack of clean potable water. Meanwhile, 68-year-old Rosalinda Valdez is now uncertain where to get her maintenance for her hypertension and for her grandson who has hydrocephalus. Rosalinda is also grieving for the loss of her son who died saving a neighbor at the height of the massive floods.
Malungkot dahil namatay ang anak ko, nalunod na kuryente siya. Mahalaga siya ang pinakamamahal kong anak ko po.
Many residents also dwell on the roadside in the nearby town of Igig. This one is near the Cagayan River, which poses risk when it overflows. Christine Salak says she has barely slept as she has to tend to her 5 children and to make sure they're safe all the time.
Takot ko na kasi, sir, kung magkasakit sila, ganun, sir. Kasi pag magkasakit sila, parang sila, sir, hindi sila makagalaw, ganun.
As much as they would like to live in a safer place, they have nowhere to go but the streets. More than a temporary shelter, they say they need more aid to survive in the coming days. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines, Cagayan Province.